In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize spirals using the spiral tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever wanted to add dynamic, swirling designs to your artwork, you'll find this tool incredibly handy. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to ensure you're in Adobe Illustrator with a new or existing document open. Look for the Spiral tool, which is typically nested under the Line Segment tool in your toolbar. If you're having trouble finding it, clicking and holding on the Line Segment tool will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see the Spiral tool option. Once you've selected the Spiral tool, head over to your artboard. Now, it's time to set the parameters for your spiral. Click once anywhere on the artboard, and a dialog box will pop up. Here, you'll be able to tweak several settings to tailor the spiral to your needs. Let's break down these options to help you decide what works best for your project. The first setting you'll see is Radius. This determines how wide the first loop of your spiral will be. A larger radius means a bigger opening loop, which might be suitable if you're aiming for a bold and prominent design. The next option is Decay. This setting controls how much smaller each subsequent loop of the spiral gets, compared to the one before it. A smaller decay value will give you tighter loops, while a bigger one will make each loop more distinct and expansive. Following that, you'll notice the Segments option. This refers to the number of winding segments in your spiral, keeping in mind that one full wind equals 4 segments. Increasing the number of segments will result in a more prolonged spiral, offering more decorative impacts. Lastly, you'll decide on the style of your spiral. Here, you're choosing between a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This might largely depend on your design preference or the project's symmetry needs. Once you've set your desired values, simply click OK, and Illustrator will generate the spiral path based on your specifications. It's a quick and efficient way to bring your spiral design to life with precision. Alternatively, if you prefer more manual control, you can draw the spiral directly on the artboard by clicking and dragging with the Spiral tool. While you're dragging, there are several shortcuts to enhance your control. If you press the up arrow on your keyboard, you'll add more loops or segments to the spiral, while pressing the down arrow decreases them. Also, by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the CMD key on a Mac while dragging, you can adjust the tightness or decay of the spiral as you go. And there you have it. By mastering these settings and shortcuts, you can create exactly the spiral you envision, adding depth and interest to your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!